Your e-drill is shipped to you with a rolling tool cart as seen here. Let's get inside this thing because there's going to be some items that we need in here prior to building the e-drill up and then giving it its first servicing. Key comes in the tool cart box. Open it up. Now on the back side, you'll notice right away we have our 5-step guide to successful fastener removal. We're going to be covering that a whole bunch during this training course. To unlock the drawers on the back here, lock, unlock, slide it to the unlock, it opens up. Up top you've got your hand tool stand for portable movement around the airplane. You got a VFHL locator right there. And inside here you've got your pneumatics kit. And inside your pneumatics kit you've got, well, basically everything pneumatic you need to do the job. You've got your OVL, which we'll talk about, your air punch, and then some bomb sights and other things. The top drawer, in this way, it's configured for a customer that is doing a more specific fastener family job. Right, so we've got mechanical locators used on the Joe bolts that are moving, and we've got flush head locator kit here for any kind of flush head fasteners they're doing. Now, these kits are configured in a way that you have everything you need to do that job. You've got your electrodes, and a guide and adapter, you've got your visual aid, and your air punch, and some other tools to help you do the job. Your box may be configured a little bit differently, with or without the kits. You may have it with our universal professional level system, which will just have a bunch of different size adapters, guides, and locators inside this top drawer here. Every toolbox you're gonna get is gonna come with basically the same thing. The next drawer down, we've got our hammers and punches. In this box, again, we've got a couple more extra guides needed for the job, but your box may be a little bit different. Third drawer down is our electrodes. This could be totally full. Again, this one is tailored more towards a specific job with certain fastener shank diameters. Fourth drawer down, we have our e-drill hand tool. Fifth drawer down, we've got our power cord. Again, we're gonna need 208 to 240 volts. And in our bottom drawer, we've got our maintenance kit, our filter element, and some S-Blaster accoutrement to help you out with that. In the maintenance kit, we're gonna talk about in a little bit, you're gonna need some items out of that to begin the actual first servicing on the e-drill system. So now we've gone through the whole parts of the toolbox. Let's get into building the e-drill system and moving on with the day.